Solve for x. 6x minus 7 equals 3x plus 4. Move all terms with x to the left side of the equation. Subtract 3x from both sides. This gives you 3x minus 6x equals 7. Simplify the left side. This simplifies to negative 3x equals 7. Divide both sides by negative 3. This gives you x equals negative 7 divided by negative 3. Subtract 3 times x from both sides. This gives us 2x minus 3x minus 7 equals 3x minus 3x plus 4. 6 times x minus 3 times x equals 3x. 3x minus 7 equals open parenthesis 3x minus 3x close parenthesis plus 4. 3 times x minus 3 times x equals 0. 3x minus 7 equals 4. Add 7 to both sides. This is equivalent to 3 times the quantity 7 minus 7, which equals 7 plus 4. Divide both sides of 3 times equals 11 by 3. This simplifies to 3 over 3 equals 11 over 3. The answer is x equals 11 over 3.